I'm just gonna brush up my brows. I'm gonna put the brows first, of course. If you want to, you can start foundation first, whatever floats your boat. But I like to start with the brows. You wanna make sure your brows stay intact. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. HD powder. My brows wet too. If your brows wet, you can do this too. So I'm using my e.l.f. HD powder and translucent. I'm just gonna apply these on my brow. I said apply these. I'm going to apply this on my brows, not these. I'm kind of pressing my end. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I feel like that'll make a difference. Now for our brows. Oh, this is like a drugstore tutorial. If I didn't mention it in the intro, but this is a drugstore tutorial. So for our brows, I'm going with LA Girls. No, it's not LA Girls. LA Colors Browie Wowie Lip Pencil. This is in dark. This is the best like brow pencil I've ever had. To clean up our brows, we want with Toffee and Beautiful Bronze. And this is an LA Girls Pro Concealer. Of course, I'm going in with Toffee under my brow. So I'm going to be warming this product up on my hand. Well, I'm going to apply a little on my hand and warm it up. I have a hard time talking out here, like y'all. I'm just gonna blend this out with a fluffy brush. I was supposed to go down, but I totally missed that step. But it's cool. We're just gonna carve the top of our brows out with Beautiful Bronze, which is my skin tone. People just blessed with, you know, beautiful eye. Well, no, I say beautiful eyes, that too. But just blessed with like beautiful eyebrows that are already arched, that are thick. Not one of those people. So I gotta fake it till I make it. Ugh. That's what I'm going with my e.l.f. brow stuff. I think this is like brow. I don't know the name of it. So for my next step, I'm just using this same shade that I used under my brow one because I have like a cheap eyeshadow primer, Morphe, but it's not like the drugstore. So I'll just be using it. To set my eyes, I'm going with this Airspun translucent extra coverage powder, face powder to be exact. Okay, so for our eyeshadow, we'll be using an actual bronzer. I know you might look at me like, I know you're probably looking like, but for real, y'all, just watch and see how it turns out. You're gonna like it. You're gonna love it. It's like flawless. It's gonna be flawless. As you can see, there are 3 shades. There's this, I'm not good with colors. It's just like white shades, a brown shade, and there's like a lighter shade. So for the brown, we're gonna go with the what can I talk today? We're gonna go with the brown shade and we're gonna apply that to our crease. Here we're gonna apply this shade here onto our lid area. I'm gonna apply this instant pore eraser. I'm just gonna prep my skin. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna go in with this instant pore eraser, baby skin pore eraser. Let me get this straight, from Maybelline. This is like the best primer. I forgot what it was. It's like the best primer I've ever had. Vicky Logan put me on like my freshman year of college, and I've been stuck ever since. Anyway, you guys, okay, when it comes to this eye look, I really don't like this shade right here on my lid, so I'm going to apply this dark shade on my lid because I feel like it's a little too ashy for me. So yeah, I'm just going to do that. Oh, sorry, can y'all see this? There we go. Yeah, this shade right here, this one right here. Like going with this e.l.f. product from earlier, I want to prep my eyelashes with the other side. We're going to RF eyeliner. For our face, we'll be going with this BB cream, True Complexion BB cream from Radiance. It has SPF 15 in it. If you're out for a long time, you might want this because SPF is really important. I know a lot of people think that because we're black, we don't need SPF, but we do need SPF. Yep, I like it a lot better. I'm just gonna take a blender. I'm just gonna pat everything in like so. I hope this is more for it's not the drugstore, because if not, I'm sorry y'all. Like, sorry I let you down. Yeah, I like this a lot better. A lot better. Oh, look at you. Look. Flavors. Wow, wow, Sprite.